Drawing the sunflower can be a delightful and creative experience. Sunflowers are known for their vibrant colors and distinct shape. Here's a simple guide to help you create your own sunflower drawing. Outline the center. Start by drawing a small circle in the center of your paper. This will be the sunflower seed-filled center. Add small curves inside the circle to represent the seeds. Draw the petals. Around the center, draw large, elongated petal shapes in a circular pattern. Sunflowers usually have around 12 to 20 petals. The petals should be slightly pointed at the ends and can vary in size for a more natural look. Add detail to the center. Draw smaller lines and curves within the center to give the appearance of seeds layered inside. You can also add a few small, circular shapes to create depth. Stem and leaves. Draw a long, slender stem extending from the bottom of the sunflower. Add a pair of large, heart-shaped leaves near the base of the stem. You can also add smaller leaves along the stem, so feel free to experiment with different colors, shapes, and sizes to make your sunflower drawing your own masterpiece.